Welcome to Food Dealing. Embark on a flavorful journey with us. Excited to cook a delicious meal with you. Ready? To start, select 2 medium onions and cut them in half. Now, finely chop the onions to get them ready for cooking. Heat a pan over medium heat and add the chopped onions. Sauté the onions over medium-low heat until golden brown. Add a teaspoon each of salt, paprika, and cinnamon to the mixture. Add 1 tsp each of garlic powder and thyme to enhance flavor and aroma. Stir the onions and spices to blend the flavors. Add 250 grams of minced meat to the onion mix. For thorough cooking, mix the minced meat with a glass of water. Stir ingredients until the meat is fully cooked. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to our meat mixture. Stir until the mixture turns a rich red. Add 100 grams of sliced mushrooms to the mix. Now that everything's mixed, let's create something delicious. Cook until the mix thickens and water evaporates. Spread the lavash bread on the table for our sandwich. Evenly spread the meat filling on the lavash bread. Generously sprinkle pizza cheese over the filling. Carefully fold and roll the lavash bread to form the sandwich. Grill the rolled sandwich in a hot pan until golden brown. Press the sandwich with a kitchen weight to keep its shape. Flip the sandwich and grill the other side until golden brown. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this video. Have any questions? Drop us a comment below. I hope you enjoyed our cooking video. Our sandwich is ready. Bon appetit. Enjoy every bite. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.